Hey guys, Jir here. In this video, let's take a look at this new product called Skoolify. Now, this product is created by James and Max, and essentially, this is a method and a training system which will let you monetize school without needing to create a product, without needing to create courses, and the best part, without needing to purchase a monthly recurring fee just to create a community. Now, if you don't know what is a school, it's a platform which allows you to create, community and then charge people to, to join into your community and pay, charge them a monthly recurring payment. Now, the bad news is that when you sign up to school, let me show you how it looks like. So when you sign up to a school, guys, you're gonna need to pay for a $99 a month just to create your own community. But with Skoolify, you don't have to do that. You don't have to to pay $99 a month just to make money or just to monetize school. Now inside of Skoolify, James and Max will show you how to make money, not just one-time payment, but a recurring revenue, a recurring payment with school, okay, which is really powerful. Okay, so as you can see, I'm inside of the training, or inside of the members area rather. Okay, and before I'm gonna show you guys what inside here, because there's tons of training materials here, and they put a lot of value, they put so much effort into building this system, which it's really insane, and you can't find this training anywhere else. This is inside Skoolify, and again, you can use this to monetize school, to promote a community where you'll be able to make not just one-time payment but a recurring monthly payment, and this payment will goes directly inside of your PayPal account. You don't need to use other third-party platform. The money that you'll be making will goes directly into your PayPal account, without a charge or without a fee. Okay, now let me show you inside here. And by the way, I have an amazing bonuses if you decide to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. I'm going to show you the bonuses later in this video, but for now I'm going to show you what inside here. So the first section here, this is Max and James will welcome you into Skoolify, and there are a couple of links here. This is where you create your school account, and then this is where you join the community, and they also have a live event here. You can also join this one here. I actually created my own account here, and again, when you join Skoolify, you don't need to pay a monthly payment. When you create your school account, you can just create an account for free and then start monetizing school inside of Skoolify. And again, Max and James will show you exactly how to do that. They have step-by-step video training here that will show you how you get your affiliate link, and also how you can drive traffic. Okay, so let me go to the other section here. So this the second section here. This is where you can upgrade your account. You can join into the elite community where you'll be able to make more money, okay, by joining into the elite academy. Okay, and then in the next section here, so this is where you get your affiliate link or referral link. So again, you don't need to pay for a monthly payment for school account. You just need to grab your affiliate link here. Let me show you. And you just need to fill in your information here, fill in your first name, and then you select a type of member. What type of member are you? And then you need to put in your PayPal email address here. That way you will get paid every first day of the month. Okay, all right. Now what's really interesting is that Max and James show you how to get tons of traffic into your affiliate link. Not just one, but they talk about a lot of traffic. Let me show you what are those traffic source here. So they talk about how you can get thousands of viral video clips in this section here. And as part of my bonus, guys, you will save tons of money, because James and Max talks about how you can access to thousands of viral videos, but you're gonna need to purchase those videos. But with my bonus, you can save tons of money. You can save maybe $100 with my bonus key, because inside here they talk about how you can purchase, you know, viral video clips that you can upload in your social media account to get traffic into your affiliate link. But as part of my bonus, I'm giving away done for you video with over 30,000 viral videos that you can automatically use and upload into your social media account that will help you drive free traffic into your affiliate link, which is really crazy, right? And then they also going to show you guys the power of AI to get traffic. Okay, so they have that here. So how they use ChatGPT to drive traffic into your offer, how you can crush this with AI tools like Pictory, how you can tap into the best buyer traffic source out there, which is really insane. Okay, and then they put so much effort into creating this training, which will show you how to get traffic in different ways. Okay, so also going to show you how to generate high quality traffic by posting simple stuff online. Okay, and then how you can get another viral traffic, more traffic to your link. And then they also talk about the free super simple tool that you can use to generate traffic as well. And they're also going to show you guys how you can automate the entire process by posting one content and then put that content everywhere in different places, in different social media places, okay, which is really insane. And then James will also going to show you guys how to use the power of bonuses, so you can get access to done for you bonuses that you can give away to your customers. That way they are more inclined to buy or to join into your community, or join into the community with your affiliate link, because you have bonuses offered. Okay, which is really powerful. You can get access to done for you bonuses, and more bonuses are right here. Okay, and then how you can crush it with your own school. So if you decided to create your own school community and charge your members to pay within your community, then you can do that. And they're also going to show you a training how you can do that right here. James will show you how to do that as well. All right, and then Max and James will also gonna take you behind the scenes. Okay, how they operate their own school community, so you can also apply the strategy within your own community as well, so you can make more money with your community, which is really insane. Okay, there are tons of training here that you get tons of amazing information and knowledge when it comes to running your own school community. Okay, how to crash the leaderboard, how they run things, how to use AI to create your own courses. So if you don't have a course yet to sell within your community, then Max and James will also going to show you here how to create your own course using AI, okay, and then sell that within your community. Really powerful stuff. And then your custom Skoolify AI expert tool. So they also have that in here. And then they have some additional upgrades here. So if you want to upgrade your account, you can also do that here. And then other training resources here. Okay, so that's basically the sneak peek behind the Skoolify. And again, guys, I have amazing bonuses for you if you decide to purchase or pick up Skoolify through the link down in the description of this video. Let me show you what are those bonuses. I have that listed in this document here. So the first bonus for you is over 30,000 viral short videos that you can automatically post into your social media account to get unlimited source of free traffic with social media places like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This is very powerful. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I'm able to get hundreds, even if not thousands of videos. So I have a viral video case study here. Okay, and then my third bonus for you guys is I'm gonna give away my product, which is the Toonimal series, the Toonimal Volume 1, Toonimal Volume 2, and Toonimal Volume 3. This one comes with private label rights. Let me show you what is Toonimal is all about. Let me show you what are those some example of these video stories here that you can also monetize. And you can also because this comes with private label rights, you can also sell these videos with your own branding. You can change the Toonimal branding here. Let me play one of this. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that audio, but these are the sample here. I'm gonna put a link below this video so you can also visit this page here. Basically, you'll be getting all the series, the Toonimal Volume 1, Toonimal Volume 2, and Toonimal Volume 3. And then I'm gonna give away my upcoming product, guys, which will be launching tomorrow. Canva Kids games with private label rights. So let me show you what Canva Kids games is all about. Alright, so this is the sales page of Canva Kids games, by the way. And with Canva Kids games, you will be getting done for you games, editable and customizable games, or Canva Kids games that you can rebrand with your own branding, and then you can sell them in any places like Etsy, Amazon, your own website, or another social media account. The best part inside of Canva Kids games, I'm going to be showing you a video case study on how you can put these games in front of hungry buyers by using a secret and untapped market, which is really powerful. Okay, and again, you will be getting customizable games that you can put your own brand, and then you can resell these games, and you will keep 100% of the profit. And again, this product will be launching tomorrow, and you'll be getting this product for free as part of my bonus inside Skoolify. So that's it in this video. If you have any more questions about Skoolify, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching this review, and see you in my next video.